So I would say that we are probably uh, like deer in the headlights, wrongly so because the word technology tends to make us freeze, but it doesn't have to, because if you think about it, once upon a time, cooking was technology because if people used to used to eat what they could pluck off the trees or what they could hunt and eat raw, and they were falling ill because of those reasons. And it's only because they learned to cook that they became healthier and also became milder people and not as violent as they used to be. So if you think about it, whether it's cooking, whether it's, for example, the creation of the first chair. Before the creation of the first chair, we all used to sit on the ground and break our backs. So chair was technology, but we don't think about it as technology today. From that, what I'd like to derive for all of us is the fact that what we typically tend to think of as technology is something that didn't exist when we were born. So if it already exists, for example, my son, the iPad is older than him. So for him, the iPad is not technology. It's something that he lives with. It's almost as natural as pressing a switch to turn the light or the fan on for him. And many of us who are digital migrants, we have this problem that we have to make the leap. We have to try to assimilate what this new beast is, which has not been part of our lives for the better part of our lives. That's where the struggle is. But if we are able to put ourselves in our children's shoes and try to imagine life through their lens, then I think we'll do a lot better job of assimilating technology into our lives. Someone used the right phrase, which is creative technologists. That is the path of the future, that marketing teams willy-nilly will have to learn technology, that there is no doubt about. Will we all need to learn to code? Probably not necessarily, but we will need to have an appreciation and a constantly ongoing open-minded appreciation about how the world is changing, about what the next app can do, and therefore how can I apply what the next app can do into my business and for my consumer and benefit from that. That's broadly the way I would see it, that technology is not the IT department's job anymore, it's everybody's job. But also because technology is not just about IT. It is about designing and inventing new ways of interacting with people and products.